What is up, guys? David Review Brick here, back at you again with another terrible fucking Feud review. Today we're going to be reviewing this wonderful homemade banana bread with a bit of Greek yogurt on the side. It's pretty fucking good. Just like this vlog.
So, being in lockdown, I got really bored. Oh shit. I cut a hole in a box and stuck it onto my wall so I can shoot a ball into it.
How'd that turn out, huh?
Yes, we get it, I'm single. Now that I'm talking to my two single friends, what's it like being single?
No comment. So mess, right?
Yes. Wow. So yeah, true. I don't think we're meant to light three of them at once.
Yeah, but don't actually blow up my cranberry juice. I don't want that.
Well, so when we both die, you still want your cranberry juice.
I want to be in my grave with this.
Yeah. Call it the fuse first. Make sure you can't light them on fire or anything. Hung it that way.
Look how many of these we got. Alright, so logically this can only go well.
Oh hell yeah! It went out. Bugger.
Frick.
Just edit that part out.
That's
close.
all gunpowder. Oh my god. Yo!
Hell yeah.
Oh, still on fire. Extinguish it.
We did odds out of 100, Barney, right? Out of 100 to drink the bong water, right? And me and him both said one for him to do it. Yeah.
Yo, fuck up, you drink
Barney,
it.
you owe me a whole bottle of vodka and you owe me some bong water.
Why? Why are you some bong water? Imagine it's Nico. Imagine it's Nico. You ready? You ready? 3, 2. Oh my god.
You see this here? That's a fucking clothesline. Fuck off with your clown.
See, this is the
Clothesline. Just keep doing it.
Buddy, I was joking.
You're fucking dead, bro. You want to finish this the bottle? And put it down. Put the bottle down. Put the bottle down.
It's really wet, buddy. It's really wet. It's really
That's
wet.
what she said.
So I got called out for being a David Dobrik wannabe. And all I gotta say to that is fuck yeah, I am.
Hope you go broke and your iPhone breaks and your ex shows up at your next first date and your car gets towed so you show up late to your shitty ass job. Hope you have a bad day. Hope you lose.